Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file on iPhone. Whether you're converting photos, documents, screenshots or other files into a PDF, your iPhone has a built-in feature that makes the process quick and easy. And in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a PDF, and by the end of this video you'll be able to convert your files into professional PDF documents in just a few taps. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and you need to open to your Files app. And once you're inside the Files app, you need to navigate to the folder containing the file that you want to convert, or you can simply press on any of the photos that you want to make a PDF of. And you need to hold on until a menu appears here, and this menu contains several useful options for managing a file. And from the list, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find to this Quick Actions. Tap on the Quick Action there and tap on the Quick Action. And here you need to tap on the Create PDF. And that is it. Your phone will immediately begin converting the selected file into a PDF format. And the process usually takes only a few seconds. And that is it. That's how you can create a PDF file on your iPhone. And thank you for watching. I hope I could help you.